Sitting here at Croke Park and I'm looking over this beautiful stadium and this beautiful grass that they've got here, and I'm still, it almost still feels unreal, like just the massive privilege that we got this opportunity to play in this final. And you reflect to the season where it started, came in with a rush, and after the Junior World Cup, and it was hit ground running from the first, and then get to know the players. And it was a challenging start because of numerous reasons, and then come January, a few months later in the seat, the pressure was really on. A lot of obviously challenges that we had to face, and we were obviously fighting for survival in making the playoffs, not even the final. So, and then fast forward 5 months later, and now we're sitting here a day away from the final, and like I said, what a privilege, and I can just, it's so much grace. It's so much, I'm so thankful and grateful for everything that we experience as a team, but yet we've got this privilege to be here for this grand final. And it's a privilege, first of all, to coach the Vodacom Bulls side, and then second of all, I want to thank the Lord for being with me in the good and the bad times. He's always faithful, and the players has been tremendous. How they rallied and how they got together, and the staff stuck together, and everybody worked extremely hard. And now we've got this opportunity, and I know it's going to be a big challenge against one of the best sides probably in Europe, if not the best side. And now we have to face that challenge right here at home. But I'm regardless of the result, and I know it's maybe a cliche, but I'm very proud of the team, of everybody at the Vodacom Bulls.